Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Tirupur location. Let us see what are the job openings available. We will discuss one by one in detail. Attention please, do not pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a job opening for Subbaiah Central School. They are looking for PGT accountancy. Salary offered minimum 40,000 to up to 45,000 a month. Should you have minimum 3 years of experience in handling senior section classes, and you can say CBSE, it will be syllabus, and immediate appointment is required. Qualification details are MCOM PED, that is mandatory. You can share your resume at the provided email ID for further details. Email ID is info@subbiahschool.org. Next, there is a job opening for graphic designer. Only female candidates are eligible for this job role for J&JP Clothing Company. Salary offered minimum 8,000 to up to 15,000 a month. You can see there is a job location details provided here. You can check with that. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9626660095. Next, there is a job opening for biology teacher for SIT JEE classes. Salary offered minimum 10,000 to up to 12,000 a month. And the person should be expert in biology to handle a NEET level. So this is the details. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9710110142. Next, there is a job opening for data entry operator for Blues Informatic Solution. Salary offered up to 6,000 a month. This is a non-voice process. Qualification: any undergraduation or post-graduation or diploma. Freshers are eligible for this job role, and up to 1 year of experience also will be considered. Freshers are eligible. Both male and female candidates are eligible for this job role, and salary starts from 6,000 per month, and it will be depends upon your skill set and experience. Timings will be 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. If you see the roles and responsibilities, you have to complete the given work with the time allocated. You should be excellent in computer proficiency. You have to participate in training and induction based on the project. You should be able to work in new software and applications. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 8870985374. Next, there is a job opening for SIT JEE classes for education counselor position. Salary offered minimum 6,000 to up to 8,000 a month. You should have a good English communication skills. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9710110142. Next, there is a job opening for computer operator for Erode Dai Champ Tirupur. Salary offered up to 9,000 a month. Minimum 3 years of experience in Tally and MS Office is required, and it will be depend upon your skill set and experience. They may offer you salary. Age should be below 25 to 35 years, and both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role. Free accommodation for outstation candidates is given. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9344135454. Next, there is a job opening for machine operator for Jaron Industries. Salary offered minimum 9,000 to up to 12,000 a month. This is emergency requirement for machine operator. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9994990723. Next, there is a job opening for heavy driver for Ramras Cotton. Salary offered minimum 10,000 to up to 13,000 a month. You should practice safe driving habits. You should follow all state and national safety regulations and standards. You should accurately follow routes, maps, and directions. You should load cargo and baggage. You should keep exterior of vehicle clean and presentable. You should maintain vehicle equipment, replace oil, fill gas tank, perform general motor vehicle maintenance as needed for safety. So these are all the roles and responsibilities. You should clean windows, windshields, and mirrors as needed. You should keep interior of vehicle clean of debris and clutter. You should load and unload vehicle. You should collect payments, document amount, and offer receipts when necessary. You should complete documentation such as logs, mileage or cargo and passenger reports, and you should follow schedules and rerouting in a timely manner when faced with traffic or conjunction. So these are all the details. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 8110995147. Next, there is a job opening for van and car drivers wanted for NS Poly Industries. Salary offered up to 16,000 a month. And driving work and other works will be there. Office timings will be 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. And this is the interview address. You can go through it. NS Poly Industries, Ramnagar First Street, PN Road, Tirupur. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9994355800. Next, there is a job opening for vehicle maintenance in charge for Ramraj Cotton. Salary offered minimum 14,000 to up to 18,000 a month. You should maintain all company vehicles. You should maintain inventory of all spares, tools, and scrap in car shed. You should attend accidents and vehicle background. You should regularly visit all workshops and inspect the vehicles under work. You should maintain a materials receipt note. You should plan and execute water wash, greasing, and alignment at car shed. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 8110995147. Next, there is a job opening for machine operator for Saint Marks Industries India Private Limited. Salary offered minimum 10,500 to 12,000 a month. Your roles will be machine operation, input loading to machine, output monitoring, and upkeep of machines. So these are all the roles and responsibilities of the job role. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9655245049. Next, there is a job opening for QA QC inspector for Ultimate Alloys Private Limited. Salary offered minimum 12,000 to up to 15,000 a month. You should have primary knowledge of steel casting dimension and inspection and marking, and you should have knowledge of machined component inspection. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9943999423. Next, there is a job opening for teacher position for synoptic care. Salary offered minimum 7,000 to up to 8,000 a month. And this is an occupational therapy center for special needs in Tirupur. They have 500 around kids and a friendly atmosphere. Only female candidates are eligible for the job role. 100% safe and secure environment will be provided. And they are looking for teachers and trainers. Only female candidates are eligible. Job description, if you see, you should train the special kids. You should teach basic concepts, writing skills, and basic math concepts. You should involve in group activities. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9894768293. I just wanted to describe this image. You should have an idea about what kind of career you are choosing, what the kind of field you wanted to enter, what type of industry you wanted to enter. Should have a clear idea so that you can get a proper planning and you can get an idea how to crack that particular field interviews or anything you wanted to prepare. So you should have a clear idea. It is very important first step to achieve in a career. And then if you got an idea what type of field, what type of technology, what type of company or industry you wanted to enter, then you can start a planning how to enter it. You have to plan it properly, either joining the institute or learning some courses online, whatever, up to whatever like flexibility you have to plan according to achieve that particular goal, whatever you have put to enter into an industry or to get a job in a particular field. So you have to plan properly, and you should set a strategy. How many months, how many days? We can't sit idle for days. Days will pass, months will pass, years also will pass. So we can't stick to a we can't wait idle. We can't sit idle for many days, right? So we have to put a strategy. How many days? Within how many days I have to crack that? Within how many months I should complete this, and I should get a particular. I should get into a particular field or particular job. So this is the strategy you should have in your mind. Then finally you will get a success automatically. So please be aware of your career, guys. You should have clear idea, plan it, and have a clear strategy. It will lead to success. That's it in this video, guys. I'll be coming up with more updated job openings for Tirupur location as early as possible. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to encourage me to do more videos for Tirupur location. Please like our videos. It will really encourage us to do more information and to give you more information to provide more videos, and share our videos and channel with your friends and family members who are in need of job. It will really help them as well. And thank you so much for your love and support. Keep supporting me like this. Thank you so much for watching the video as well. Have a great day.